I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Elantra dashboard. Start by disconnecting the battery and removing the trim panels to expose screws and fasteners. Keep fasteners organized by zone so reassembly is painless. Use plastic trim pry tools to avoid damaging panels and listen for hidden clips. Label electrical connectors and take photos for reference. Take your time during door and vent removal to prevent cracked bezels or broken clips. Prep matters for a smooth dash removal, so lay out tools and protective covers before you begin. Remove the glove box, center console panels, and infotainment trim first to reduce tension on the dash. Keep a clean workspace and use a small container for screws from each section. If you encounter resistance, double-check for hidden screws or clips before forcing anything. Gentle, methodical removal prevents costly damage and saves time. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long shop days and comfort. I use them when wrenching and they stay comfortable through long projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing visible trim and vents, then unbolt mounting points while supporting the dash from below. Work systematically from one side to the other and unplug connectors as needed, labeling each harness. Take special care with airbags and audio components, handling them per safety guidance. Once bolts are removed and connectors detached, lift the dash evenly to avoid snagging wires. Set the dash on a padded surface to protect finishes and electronics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.